Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna show you how to upload a HTML website on Netlify. So, so first of all, I log in the Netlify account and go to the projects. Here is the projects. Here is the projects, or you can click on Netlify icon. Then you see here I uploaded 3 website. So here is one website which is 404 not found. There are so many YouTubers. They are not showing the right way. I just I just show you the right way. So so many YouTubers, they are not showing the right way. They just uploaded the project file or folder and they show here is the website. But when I am trying this, trying myself, and then the site is showing 404 not found, or page not found. So what is the problem? You just make a HTML website like that, and file, just click on file, then click on save as, and create a folder. Like I am creating creating folder like 2. I just create a folder like 3, and just save it in HTML format, and name of the file is just index. So here is the problem. If we change the file name without index or anything, except index, then your site is not live. Your site is showing like that, 404 not found. So that we save this file name index, just index, and the file type is HTML. Then click on save, then I minimize this, and I go to the projects, and add new projects, deploy manually, and browse the file, and click on download, and select this folder and upload. Here's the upload, and if I click this link, here is the website is live. But if I create another, if I upload another project, like which name is which name is not index, I just rename this file like rename this file like 111 or anything else. And then I show you this problem. Here is the problem, and here is the 2, which has a file name 111, and upload. Here is I'm showing, here is the website. But if you click on this link, it shows the page not found. This is the problem. So thanks. If you facing page not found like this, then this video is help you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel, and click click on the thumbs up icon to get inspired and get more videos. Thanks.